Push.
Right foot. Right foot.
Push.
Big step. Push. Left.
Nice.
Right foot.
Brrrr.
Push. Left. Left foot. Right foot.
You push the pedal.
Right foot. Left. Here, right foot. Yes, stand up.
There you go. Ah, good job. Do it again.
Left.
I know. Your feet are fixed. Push it. Push. Nice. Good. Good. Push. Push it. Push, Steven.
Left.
Yay.
Push. Left.
Good boy. Turn.
Right.
Push. Good job. Nice. Ah, good job. Look at you.
Straight.
Yay. Come on, Sophie.
Come on, Sophia.
I'm gonna
Right
pull it,
foot.
Steven, straight down the hallway.
Sophia, right foot.
Good.
Are his shoes sticking to the pedal?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
good.
very nice because it doesn't come off.
Yeah.
Her shoe keeps coming off. His shoe is like not.
What's that?
His shoe doesn't stay on very tight.
Can you use the side velcro to make it tighter?
Look at you, Steven.
Good. Good job.
There you go.
I think I'm gonna try the other bicycle with him too. He knows what to do.
Almost there.
It's almost too little.